morning, small players, and happy September and happy unofficial start of the fall. Hope you guys had a great Labor Day weekend. The first stock on the scanner is HYRE. This one used to be a lot more expensive in the past. It used to be $12. So we have some key levels on the daily chart that we want to take note of because they're important squeeze levels for other trading days as well. And having these think or swim alerts helps us pay attention to the chart even before it actually gets picked up on scanner. So these are some key levels that we'll mark on the chart. Break above 975, which is probably more break above 10, but if we get alerted on break above 975, we'll have time to react to buy on break on 10. 786, 601, even this one right here, 501. Now closer to where we are today, break of 150 is pretty key. Then the next big level there would be break above 225-ish. But we can just send alert for break above 2. It's a big psychological level. So I'd wait for a break above 1.5 here to enter. We could also potentially do a bounce on WeWeb, but I think break above 5 could have more of a range. ICE is a stock that is in a great price range. I like this range. The institutional trading session high of day was 11.6. So that level seems to be serving as support now. Previous resistance turned support, but this EMA 20 line is giving it trouble. So to allow it to clear that EMA 20 and WeWeb, I would enter here and break above 13. WeWeb is descending, so if it takes that longer to break it, and let's say WeWeb is around 12.4 or 12.5, we could enter a break of WeWeb and take profit on 13. And then take profits on 13.5 and 14. ICE also on the daily chart, we have a lot of levels marked here for squeezes. APDN, we know the stock pops up on scanner every now and then. Let's see, what is the top here? 327, and this top is 325. It's a little choppy. I mean, might be safer to just wait for it to clear all of this choppiness. Because if we entered break above 325, we have a wall on 327. We try and break above 328, trade, and this is, what is the open? 332. So there are just a lot of very close resistances. Not my favorite type of trade. I'd rather wait for it to clear all of that. And once it clears all of that, it could move more violently. We have a big level here on 4 from some previous day. So I'd rather just wait for an entry that's not so choppy. DRUG, drug. This is a stock that we've traded a lot in the past. I say, it popped up a lot in the month of August. We have the high here from Friday, 221. And then what is this double top here? 215. So I'd send alert for break above 217, which is this morning's high. It's close enough to that level of 221, but it's a more recent level. So the more recent ones always carry more weight. That could be a move towards 225, 229, 231. I mean, this one's a little choppy again too, but let's see. And then what do we have on the daily level? The levels on the daily level are still ways away. We can also mark this one right here, this high of 416. Can do an alert for break of that. And then what is this? Break of 3. Now the volume's a little low. Let me just take a look at ATHG. Set an alert there for break above 1070 and remove it from watch list and use the volume below. Now let's take a look at QQQ, see what the NASDAQ is doing. Okay, we are still holding this bottom of 396 and the top of 398. So we can set an alert for break above 398 to trade TQQQ and break below 296 to trade SQQQ. And these, yeah, the one's too low. I'll actually put CFVI on watch list. Even though the volume is low, it's not tradable at the moment. I like the chart, so hopefully it picks up some volume later today and we can trade it. Okay, you guys, I will see you in the chat room.